Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to share resources, reference other pages, or simply tidy up your Notion workspace by turning pieces of text into clickable links, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn any text into a link in Notion, whether you're connecting to an external website or linking smoothly between your Notion pages. Let's dive in and add some real power and polish to your notes and docs. First, let's start with the most visual way to add a link to your text in Notion, the pop-up menu method. Imagine you have an important phrase or a reference in your notes, and you want anyone reading it to be able to jump straight to a related resource. Here's exactly what you do. Select the text you want to link. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words, just like you would in any other document editor. As soon as you've selected your text, you'll notice a small menu popping up just above the words. This menu gives you quick access to styling options, but for links, you'll want to click on the chain link icon. It's the one that looks just like a tiny metal chain. Now, when you click the link icon, a box will open where you can add your link. This is where Notion gives you a wonderful bit of flexibility. Let's say you want to link to an article or a resource outside of Notion. Just paste the full web address into that box, a URL like https://yourfavoritewebsite.com, and hit enter. Your selected text is now a clickable link. Or maybe you want to tie together different sections of your Notion workspace. In that case, start typing the name of another Notion page. Notion is great at searching your workspace, so as you type, it'll offer up matching page suggestions. Just click on the relevant page, and your text will link directly within Notion, perfect for cross-referencing projects or notes. Alright, method 2 is for those of you who love speed and keyboard shortcuts. If you want to work even faster, maybe you're editing a large document or just prefer not to reach for the mouse, you'll love this approach. First, highlight the text you want to make into a link just as before. But instead of waiting for the menu to pop up, press a quick shortcut, Command+K if you're on a Mac or Control+K on Windows. You'll see the link dialog box appear instantly. Here again, you have choices. Paste in the web address if you want an external link. Maybe you're sharing a product page or a news article for your team. Or if you'd rather link to another Notion page, perhaps you've got a master to-do list or a resource database, simply type in its name. Notion's search will pick it up and you just select the right one. After entering your link, press enter, and just like magic, your text is linked. One thing to remember. Don't worry if a step takes a moment or if Notion's search doesn't give you exactly what you want straight away. You can always redo the link, edit the text, or try searching again with a different phrase. It's all about making your workspace easier to navigate and more connected, so take your time here. And that's all there is to it. Whether you prefer clicking with your mouse or flying through with keyboard shortcuts, turning your text into links in Notion is quick and straightforward. I hope this helps you make your pages clearer, smarter, and even more interactive. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if there's another Notion tip you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy linking.